in the beginning, all the power in this world belonged to Regulus. Returning the power of the seven gods to him.
The forces of chaos are on the move again. The Arks once saved the world from the demons. We need them again. Try opening the Tome of Prophecy. It will show you the path of your destiny. May Regulus bless the path you've chosen. You will now take your first step in the quest for the Ark. The future of Arkesia is in your hands. The light of the world must not fall to chaos.
A pillar of light. We better get moving.
Huh? Go? Where?
To meet old friends. After 500 years of waiting, the stars of destiny call to us.
Stars of the what? The what now? Come back, you crazy old man!
Look alive, scrubs. We're here. Next stop, Trua, the Forgotten Land. Bring your things.
Prideholme is next, so please don't get off just yet.
Oh, I see.
We are going to take off once they get
Let's go.
We're finally here.
Hey, you. Come here for a second. Rough voyage, huh? It'll come in handy soon enough. Equip gear from your inventory. I like you. You got the right kind of eyes for this job. Wow. Look at him.
Help me! Adventurer! Can you bring me some water? Water! Sweet water!
Gather round. Pick up the pace. Get moving. I'm the captain of the Trua expedition. Call me Gurkha. Check the map as often as you can. The advance party that came first said they had finished exploring the area, but there was nothing to gain.
Captain! Trolls in the camp!
Damn it all. Wake up and grab your weapons! Let's kill some trolls! Move quickly! Defend the camp! Trolls! Wipe them all out!
Lucky!
What a waste of energy.
Sure. You are quite terrifying. Please, put down the weapon.
Hey, let someone else tend to the priest. We should be searching the surroundings.
Thank you. It's not a serious injury.
When are we even going to find the treasure?
I think it's already too late for these people.
That priest a fortune.
The treasure is important, but making it out alive is what truly matters. Make good use of that potion. We never know what's gonna happen, so it's best to prepare for the worst.
This way! Everyone gather up! We are going to break through the barrier and advance!
It is believed the ruins of Trua are protected by the gods. Between traps and crumbling ceilings, we should be careful. Whoa! These giant statues were built in the image of the gods. Regulus himself created the Ark, the ever-burning light of creation. The Ark contains great power. The power to create and the power to destroy. Just like a god. If only we could figure out its location.
Oi! You gonna flap your gums all day, priest?
He's right. We should be quiet. Look. We made it. This place, it doesn't seem normal.
Seems like we're on the right track. Follow me and watch your step.
The early bird that gets the worm.
Stay put!
It's the trolls again. We have to break through their lines. Prepare for battle! Captain, more trolls incoming! There's no end to this. Secure the... Everyone, take cover!
I can't believe you destroyed the bridge. But what about the others trapped on the other side? I'm glad
Don't whine at me! Did you have a death wish? It had to be done! I was just making a rational decision to save everyone. This seems like the entrance to the city, but it's blocked. Hey, priest! What does it say? When in doubt, blow it up! Run as fast as you can once you set it up.
That thing goes off fast. I hope nothing goes wrong. won't budge.
Damn! That stone ain't gonna budge.
Is there another way? The path, it's open.
It's open!
What is this?
Hey, Cap, I don't think we'd be getting
What?
anything out of
That
this.
fool priest! I came all the way here, and we found nothing!
Calm down. You will be well compensated.
Better not
No,
be lying.
let's see. The hidden ruins. Here all along.
Why'd you do that?
B?
We're gonna be rich.
We're here. Let's go.
I think the treasure is over there!
Hey, wait for me!
Why isn't it opening? Neil, get me the explosives!
I've already used up all the strong ones.
There must be a secret device that can open the shrine somewhere. Let's find it together.
Looks like this rookie has found a way. Hurry, open it! Go on! I got a bad feeling about this.
Look!
Treasure!
Wait!
Hands off the treasure! I'm in charge here! Move aside!
Stop, you greedy fools! Look outside! Whoa! Demons! How did they get here?
We almost died! Screw the contract! Let's grab what we can!
That wasn't the deal.
The guy with the sword makes the rules, kid. Grab the stone! It looks valuable.
No, don't touch it.
Get away!
Stop! It's a trap!
Help me! Please, don't let me die!
Get back! His greed would have killed you both. Stand back.
Where does this portal lead to?
There's just two of us now. Which way should we take? Are you all right? You're alive. Let's look for a way up. It's so dark in here. I can't see a thing. Do you see anything? Over here! I found it! Take this and go up. I finally found it. What's this?
When the light of destiny reaches the end of the world, the Winged Watcher shows the way to the light of creation. When the chaos of the abyss opens its eyes once again, you will follow the Pride of Lions to the beginning. Destiny calls to you, O Chosen One.
Are you all right? I believe this is where we part ways. But rest assured, we will meet again. We have a destiny, you and I. The Pride of Lions.
Prideholme it is, then. Better get to it. We can't keep destiny waiting.